This is for each and everyone, and I fell in love today again, so I'd like to sing a song. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I get over you just long enough to let my heart mend. Hell, today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. But I hope your love for me has never faded. And today I fell in love with you again. 'Cause today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think that I could get by with only this new million tears I cried. Well, I should have known the worst still yet to come, and crying time for me has just begun. Well, today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I get over you just long enough to let my heart mend. And today I started loving you again. I've been loving you so much, baby, but I didn't know. I just kept it in my heart. Nang sa may kumatangkang babaakan at ikuwang kusod si kabiyayan ko. Namniman, waray ng kasal, singapian ko kung makiasaba. At sabay ko mapian muwak mo, tanayin labak mo. So sika. Well, today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I get over you just long enough to let my heart mend. Hell, today I started loving you again. Well, today I started loving you again. Salamat.